In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a guest to Asana. Inviting a guest is perfect when you need someone outside your organization, like a client or contractor, to collaborate on a specific project without giving them full access to everything. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to your Asana account and know exactly which project you want to share. First, go to Asana in your web browser and sign in. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace or organization, especially if you switch between multiple accounts. You'll see the workspace name near the top. If it's not the right one, use the switcher to move to the correct place. This helps ensure you don't share the wrong project. Next, open the project you want your guest to access. You can find it from your sidebar, search, or recent projects. Remember, guests only see what you explicitly share with them. That means the project and any tasks you later assign or add them to within that project will be visible. Everything else stays private. It's a good idea to do a quick review of the project to make sure it's ready for an external collaborator. Now, click the share button at the top right of the project. Depending on your view, this might look like a share button or a members area with an add icon. Clicking it opens the sharing panel for this project. In the sharing panel, enter the guest's email address. Use the email they'll work from. If it's outside your company's domain, Asana will treat them as a guest with limited access. You can usually include a short message to give context, like what the project is about or the first task they should look at. If your plan shows permission options here, choose whether they can edit or only comment. Double check the spelling of the email and avoid adding any sensitive details in the message. Finally, click Invite. Asana will send an email invitation right away. If the person doesn't already have an Asana account with that email, they'll be prompted to create one during sign up. After they accept, you'll see their name or email appear in the project's member list, and they'll be able to view and collaborate according to the permissions you set. If you ever need to adjust or remove their access later, return to the share panel to manage their permissions. If the invite doesn't arrive, confirm the email address, ask them to check spam or promotions folders, and be aware that some organizations limit external invites through admin settings. That's it. Go to Asana, open your project, click share, enter the guest's email, and send the invite. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.